Good morning, dear student. Today we will continue our topic magnetic effect of current. Till now we have studied that what is a magnet. Till now we have studied what is a magnet, properties of magnet, magnetic field and magnetic field lines. Till now we have studied till here. Now we will further move to study detail about magnetic field lines. That what is magnetic field lines? We will study in detail what is magnetic field lines and how to plot magnetic field lines. So, what are magnetic field lines? These lines are hypothetical lines. These are hypothetical lines, imaginary lines used to visualize the magnetic field of a magnet in certain region. In previous video we have studied that what is magnetic field lines. These are imaginary and hypothetical lines which are used to visualize or used to specify magnetic field of a magnet in a certain region. Today we will study how we will draw these magnetic field lines. For that purpose what we will do? We will take a bar magnet. This is a bar magnet. This is a bar magnet. And here are its pole. This is north pole and this is south pole. Okay? Now we will take a magnetic compass. Magnetic compass. Okay? We will take a magnetic compass. What is magnetic compass? First we will look this. What is magnetic compass? Magnetic compass is nothing. A compass, or it is a device by which help of which we visualize the direction, that where is north and where is south. It contains a magnetic needle like this, mounted on a pin-like structure. Means if it is magnetic needle, it will be pointed like this. It will be pointed like this, and this needle will be free to rotate in horizontal axis. Means like this, it is free to rotate. This is magnetic compass. So this is our arrangement. This is a structure which is supporting this magnetic needle. Magnetic needle is mounted on here and it is free to rotate in horizontal plane, and we cover the whole device with a covering, solid covering. एक box like structure में pack कर देंगे, and from above we will put a glass so that we can watch it from above. ठीक? This is a magnetic compass. This is north pole of this magnetic needle. This is whole magnetic needle. This is magnetic needle, and magnetic needle along with the enclosing box is called as magnetic compass. This is north pole of magnetic needle, because magnetic needle is also a magnet, and this is a south pole of this magnet. ठीक, with help of this magnetic compass we will plot magnetic field lines of this bar magnet. ठीक, what is a bar magnet? It is nothing, cuboidal shaped artificial magnet. This is human made artificial magnet of cuboidal shape. With help of this we will plot its magnetic field line. How we will plot? Let us see. What we will do, we will place that magnetic needle near north pole here. Let's suppose we kept here. ठीक, when this is our magnetic needle, when we will keep it here, what will happen? क्या होगा? This magnetic needle will automatically turn and comes to rest in a particular direction. Means ये needle अपने आप घूमेगी और किसी एक direction में rest पे आएगी. Let us suppose it come to rest in this direction. It comes to rest. ठीक. Now what we will do? With help of pencil or pen, we will place a dot near its north pole. ऐसे लगा दिया. Now pick up this magnet. We will pick this magnet, remove this magnet, remove, and place it again here, such that south pole of this magnet points to this point. हम ऐसे रखेंगे कि ये यहाँ पे रख देंगे, मतलब ये यहाँ पे आना चाहिए. ठीक, we will leave this, we will put and leave this. Needle will again rotate in a specified direction. Suppose that it rests in this direction. When we kept, it will rotate now from here to here. It's rotated. Now we will mark again like this, north pole. Again we will pick it. Again we will put it. Needle will rotate like this. We will place a dot here. We will continue this process. What we obtain, that dot will be obtained like this. It will move from north pole like this. Needle will automatically rotate and we will keep on moving by placing dots. What we obtain, that needle will follow this path. Needle इस path को अपने आप follow. हम dot लगाते चले, अपने मन से कुछ नहीं करेंगे, बस dot लगाते चले जाएंगे, जिधर जा रहे हैं चलते चले जाएंगे. कुछ इस तरह से पैटर्न मिलेगा. ठीक, what we will do, we will join these points. Let us, I am drawing here below. North and south. What we obtain? यहाँ से ऐसे मिलाएंगे like this. तो what we obtain? कुछ इस तरह से like this. We will join this. We will obtain like this. है ना? We will obtain like this. So this line or the path on which this magnetic compass has moved, or the line which we are obtaining by joining this line is called as magnetic field lines. This is magnetic field line. Now again we will put this magnetic compass here. When we will put here, what will happen? Like this, pointing will come. Again we will move along these dots. Wherever it goes, only we will put dot, and after that we will join that. Finally what we will obtain, that I am going to draw. Finally what we obtain, like this. Hello. फाइनली वी विल ऑब्टेन दिस। ठीक है, तो दिस इज व्हाट दिस लाइन्स which we are representing, these are magnetic field lines. These are magnetic field lines. These field lines are originating from north pole of magnet and is emerging back into magnet from this south pole, originating from north and entering the magnet again at south pole. It is important to note that I am not saying that these are terminating at south and are starting from north. Why I am not saying? Well, let us draw again this. Again we are drawing this. Like this we will obtain. Let us mark. Like this we will obtain the magnetic field lines of a magnet. What we are obtaining, that it is originating या emerging out या coming out from magnet from north pole and entering the magnet again from south pole. What is the keyword? What we are seeing here? These are closed continuous curve. I have shown it by dot. I have shown it by dots. I have made it by dots, but you will make it by solid lines. आप कैसे बनाएंगे? आप इसको solid lines से बनाएंगे. You will make it as solid lines. ठीक? मैंने dot से बनाया है. I have represented it in dot. आप dot से भी दिखा सकते हैं, solid line से दिखा सकते हैं. What is the keyword? It is originating, emerging out, coming out from magnet through north pole and entering again in magnet from south pole, and outside it is from north to south, but inside it is from south to north. ठीक है? Magnetic field lines are not intersecting at all. They are not intersecting each other. Each one is they can go very close to each other, but they will not intersect each other. Why they will not intersect, that we will look in properties of magnetic field line. But till here, now this is clear. One more thing we can do here. What we can do? This magnetic field line is drawn with help of compass. And which compass? Magnetic compass. This line we have drawn with help of magnetic compass. Magnetic compass. We can draw these lines with help of iron fillings. What are iron fillings? वो छीलन जिसे हम कहते हैं, जैसे लकड़ी को छीलते हैं तो उसका बुरादा निकलता है, वैसे जान लोहे का काम होता है वहाँ आयरन फीलिंग्स या बहुत छोटे छोटे आयरन के बहुत स्मॉल आयरन के पीसेस होते हैं. तो हम क्या करते हैं? व्हाट वी डू दैट, हमें वी टेक अ बार मैग्नेट, ठीक, and place a cardboard on it. we have taken a bar magnet like this, or better to say like this. जैसे हमने एक बार मैग्नेट ले लिया, ऐसे बार मैग्नेट ले लिया, और बार मैग्नेट के ऊपर ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट बार मैग्नेट वी प्लेस अ कार्डबोर्ड लाइक दिस. कार्डबोर्ड रख दिया, वी प्लेस अ कार्डबोर्ड. नाउ वी विल स्प्रिंकल. this is now we will sprinkle. What we will sprinkle? यानी छिड़कना. What we will sprinkle? Iron filling. We will sprinkle iron filling. Iron filling. What we will obtain when we will sprinkle iron filling? We will see that iron filling arrange themselves in this pattern. Iron filling will arrange themselves in this pattern. ऑटोमेटिक वो जिस तरह से अपने आप को अरेंज करेंगे, लाइनें उभर के दिखने लगेंगी उन आयरन फिलिंग्स की वजह से. एकदम सिमिलर दिस पैटर्न में. देयर आयरन फिलिंग विल अरेंज इटसेल्फ. हियर आयरन फिलिंग विल अरेंज. इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू नोट दैट एंड दिस गैप, this is I have shown this gap. It does not mean that this area does not contain any magnetic field lines. It do contain magnetic field lines. But why we are not showing here? We are not saying here only for clarity. साफ दिखे, सुथरा दिखे, for clarity we have taken chosen only one. Else no area near this magnet will be near. Mind it, near, not far, near. No area near this magnet will be without magnetic field lines. इनके बीच में भी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस होंगी. ठीक है, तो आयरन फिलिंग्स के हेल्प से भी हम कर सकते हैं. वी कैन डू विद हेल्प ऑफ आयरन फिलिंग आल्सो. दे विल अरेंज देमसेल्फ दिस लाइक दिस पैटर्न and we can draw the magnetic field lines with help of this magnetic compass. So dear all, hope so you all understand how to draw a magnetic field lines. Please go through it, and if any problem persists, please ask, because in next video we will deal about property of magnetic field lines and the earth magnetism. Okay, thank you.